Taking care of your family's needs and requirements will be your priority so that they can be financially secure even in the face of shifting circumstances and unprecedented times. Will investing in ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi plan help you achieve all your milestones across all stages of life? Should this investment product be a part of your investment portfolio? In this video, let us review the potential return of the plan. This research analysis will guide you in choosing the right investment product and make those informed investment decisions. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi is a participating savings-oriented life insurance plan. The main features are life cover act as a financial protection, flexible premium paying term and policy term, choice to avail benefits as either income benefit or lump sum benefit. Under the save the date option, you can receive income on any date of your choice. Option to accumulate income and withdraw it later as per your convenience with the savings wallet option. Next, we shall look at the plan benefits in detail. First, plan option 1, income. Here, guaranteed income is receivable at the end of each month or year for the selected income term chosen by you at inception. Maturity benefit payable along with the last GI payout. Maturity benefit is equal to accrued revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if declared. Death benefit will be higher of sum assured on death plus accrued revisionary bonus plus interim revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if declared, or 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death. Next, plan option 2, lump sum. Maturity benefit is equal to sum assured on maturity plus accrued revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if declared. Here the maturity benefit depends on your premium amount, premium paying term, policy term, age and gender. The sum assured on maturity is expressed as a multiple of annualized premium. Next, death benefit will be higher of sum assured on death plus accrued revisionary bonus plus interim revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if declared, or 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi plan. You can choose to receive the guaranteed income on any special date like a birthday or anniversary. You have the option to accumulate the guaranteed income and let them grow instead of taking them as payment during the policy term. You can take a policy loan up to 80% of surrender value. Next, disadvantages of ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi plan. Save the date and savings wallet feature can be availed only with the income plan option. The income benefit remains constant without being adjusted to inflation. As it is a participatory policy, all the benefits are non-guaranteed. Now let us work out the potential return of the plan to figure out the efficiency. ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi offers two plan options. The bonus declaration plays a major role as all the benefits that come under both regular income and lump sum are dependent on this rate. A quote was taken from ICICI website to calculate the internal rate of return of the plan. A 35-year-old male buys ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi for a sum assured of rupees 10.5 lakhs. The premium paying term and the policy term are 15 years. The annualized premium is rupees 1 lakh. He chooses plan option 2, lump sum. At the end of 15 years, he receives the maturity benefit. The illustration assumes two future investment returns, 4% per annum and 8% per annum. The returns deposited in this illustration are not guaranteed and do not indicate any upper or lower limit of the plan. The returns of the plan depend on various factors which include future investment performance as well. The final maturity value under the 4% scenario is 17.97 lakhs. Under the gross return of 4%, the net return is 2.23%. If you keep the money idle in your savings bank account, you can yield better interest and you have the liquidity benefit. The final maturity value under 8% scenario is 23.79 lakhs. Under the gross return of 8%, the net return is 5.58%. If you invest in a bank fixed deposit, it can yield better returns. To combat inflation in the long run, your investment should yield more than the inflation rate. The IRR under both scenarios are less than inflation rate, making it uneconomical. The potential returns calculation reveals that ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi is unfavorable for long-term investment. Getting better returns from the investment is the main agenda under any investment plan. In order to meet this, let us look for some alternate investment options where we can channelize the same premium amount paid under ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi. To make the comparison process easier, let us assume the same metrics as seen in the above illustration. The premium amount in the earlier illustration was rupees 1 lakh. Out of this amount, we need to set aside a premium for pure term life insurance policy. A pure term life insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 10.5 lakhs would cost rupees 5,300. So every year you can invest rupees 94,700. If you invest in PPF account, the account matures after 15 years. The proceeds are fully tax free. If you invest in ELSS fund, the units can be redeemed after 15 years. The ELSS returns are subject to capital gains tax. So we need to set aside the tax liability. Tax calculation is given here. The final maturity value under PPF account is 25.68 lakhs. The IRR for pure term life insurance premium plus PPF gives you a return of 6.47%. The final maturity value under ELSS fund is 37.10 lakhs. This is a post-tax value. The IRR for pure term life insurance premium with ELSS combo gives you a return of 10.68%. This is a post-tax return. Under both scenarios, you have the advantage of liquidity and returns. These two aspects are missing in ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi plan. Let us conclude the analysis with a final verdict on ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi. Some goals in life require a regular flow of income, and for some goals you need to accumulate a corpus like marriage or retirement kitty, etc. ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi is designed to receive either regular income or a lump sum amount. You can choose the policy term and premium paying term based on your preferences. While analyzing the plan, it clearly shows that the life cover will not be adequate to meet the family's future needs. The IRR analysis shows that it is a low yielding product. So both in terms of insurance and investment aspects, it is not favorable for an investor. The comparison part demonstrates how to channelize the same premium amount effectively. A pure term life insurance policy for life cover and diversified investment portfolio is essential to achieve all your goals. Investing separately for life goals envisage a bright future. For any assistance, you can consult a finance professional who will guide you in drafting a financial plan based on your personal preferences. A detailed review of ICICI Pru Sukh Samruddhi is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.